How to fix a Facebook video icon missing from your Facebook taskbar. Enable this page first, launch Facebook on your iPhone, and here from the bottom menu bar you can see video option is not here. So tap on three horizontal dot and thereafter go to Facebook setting page, and here scroll down and find out navigation bar. Under preferences, tap on navigation bar and here customize the bar, and here go to video section. This will hidden. So first choose pin. Now video pin to your Facebook taskbar. You can easily see video icon show and also set as auto. Now